have something interesting in store for you. Let's go! Hello everyone, today we are doing a very interesting procedure called scalp micropigmentation. Scalp micropigmentation, also known as medical tattooing, is a non-surgical procedure which can help with male and female suffering hair loss who are not keen to do hair transplant. This is a life-changing procedure where natural pigments are applied on the epidermal level of the scalp. This replicates the natural appearance of the real hair follicles. Scalp micropigmentation can be done for those who have scars on their scalp, complete hair loss, alopecia totalis, alopecia areata, and women who are not keen for hair transplant, also with those which have crown thinning. Scalp micropigmentation is a medical grade tattooing to camouflage the natural follicles over our scalp. Scalp micropigmentation is a safe procedure which requires no maintenance. Scalp micropigmentation is where natural pigments are applied over the scalp to give you a more fuller scalp look. Scalp micropigmentation can be opted by those who suffer from male or female pattern hair loss, alopecia, cancer, and those who prefer to have a closely shaven look. For those of you who have any hair loss issues, do not hesitate to visit us so that we can give you a consultation and free assessment and can curate a treatment protocol suitable for you. Be bold but not bald. I'm going to share with you regarding a success story of our patient who came to us with alopecia areata. Here we have used two techniques to achieve the success of hair growth. The first technique used was intralesional steroid injection to treat the alopecia areata. Subsequently, smart scalp micropigmentation was done at the area of patchy hair loss so that it will be able to camouflage with the natural hair. Scalp micropigmentation is a non-invasive treatment which is safe with no pain.